Alrighty there, traveler, you ready for dessert? The final ingredient that I've received from these Marquesian merchants are these sweet sand crystals. These are mined in the mountainous caves throughout Marquette, and they're used in many desserts and drinks all throughout the region. One of my favorite desserts are these sandberry pies made with local fruits. It's divine. Let me show you. Here you go, for you and your party as you head towards Marquette. And I hope you'll join me on October 21st, 7 p.m. Pacific Time, as Critical Role starts their next campaign adventure, which just so happens to start in Marquette. You can follow along in the adventure at twitch.tv/criticalrole and youtube.com/criticalrole. Hope to see you there. In the land of Marquette, there are these wonderful night markets. The smell of the food, the colors of the lanterns and banners, and the clear night sky is enough to make any adventurer pause and enjoy the moment. Did I mention that the food there is phenomenal? Some of the vendors would sell these skewers of meat called kip kebabs. The meat is dry rubbed in the fusaka spice, which is a delicious and common Marquesian spice. I heard that you and your party are headed that way, so I figured I'd give you something that's like a taste of Marquette. There's also this other adventuring party headed towards Marquette. You probably heard of them. Critical Role is starting their next adventure on October 21st, 7 p.m. Pacific Time on twitch.tv/criticalrole and youtube.com/criticalrole. Hope to see you there. Enjoy! Hello there, traveler. Welcome back to Quincys Tavern. I heard you and your party are headed off towards Marquette. It's absolutely beautiful there. And I've just recently gotten in some wonderful Marquesian spices, and I thought I'd send you and your party off with a little taste of Marquette. This right here is called Mahica. It is a concentrated and powerful flower dehydrated down and often used in potions, drinks, and even some desserts. And a drink that you will most likely find in your travels there is the Mage's Cloak. I hope you'll join me on October 21st, 7 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, as Critical Role starts their next adventure in Marquette. You can catch the adventure on twitch.tv/criticalrole and youtube.com/criticalrole. Be safe out there.